As a microphone.
Favorite ice cream flavors. Many people's favorite ice cream flavors are sweet and simple, such as chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. You might be shocked to find out how many different people like a bunch of other different flavors, such as cookie dough, black raspberry, fudge swirl, mint chocolate chip, or even peanut butter cup. What flavor do you think will rank the highest at DMS?
Black raspberry ice cream won 0.9 more votes than fudge swirl, leaving black raspberry in 7th most favorite flavors.
Strawberry and peanut butter cup. Strawberry placing 6th with 31 votes and 7.3%, and peanut butter cup placing 5th with 36 votes and 9%.
Chocolate and vanilla. Chocolate got 13.3% and vanilla got 13%. Vanilla and chocolate are super close in score, with chocolate only 0.3% ahead.
Cookie dough is DMS' favorite ice cream, winning with 28.1% and 119 votes.
Coming in second with 85 votes is mint chocolate chip. Mint chocolate chip is DMS's second favorite ice cream.
Winning 8th place is fudge. Raspberry ice cream gets 7th place. Strawberry gets 6th. Peanut butter cup comes in 5th. 4th is vanilla. 3rd is chocolate. 2nd is mint chocolate. And the 1st is cookie dough.
Beverages by Jason, Owen, Gabby, and Tristan. Favorite beverages. There are tons and tons of different beverages and drinks out there. Gatorade is my favorite. And there are so many good options like water, milk, chocolate milk, soda, slushies, iced tea, lemonade, hot tea, seltzer, coffee, and of course Gatorade. And so many more. Then comes hot tea. Four votes with 421. 4 out of 421, and made 0.9% as a decimal of 0.009. Coming in seltzer with 14 votes, 14 out of 421. That is 3.3%. Finally, Gatorade got 17 votes with 17 out of 421 and equals 4%. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk got 36 out of 421 votes, 8.6%. Of the people at DMS voted for chocolate milk. Iced tea got 34 out of 421 votes, with iced tea got one of the highest percents with 8.7%. Slushy. Coming in, Slushy had 42 votes with 42 out of 421 and made 9.9%.
Next is coffee. Coffee had 39 votes with 42 out of 421 and made 10%. Lemonade. Lemonade had 50 votes. That's 50 out of 421 with 11.9%. One of the best beverages on earth. Water. Water got 75 out of the 421 votes. 17.8%. That is 75 out of 421 of the people at DMS. Milk got 18 out of 421 votes. That means 4.3% voted for milk. Coming in first place, the favorite drink is soda. Coming in at first place is soda. Soda is highest rated out of votes of all students and teachers, with 92 out of 421 votes, or 21.9%. That's a pie chart of all the beverages.
Movie genres. There are some awesome movies in all different varieties. For example, funny movies, horror movies, action movies, and so much more. In the next slides, we'll figure out what everyone at DMS thought was the best movie category.
Movie genres. Winning categories. DMS loves comedy, action, and horror. Comedy taking first with 33.3%, action taking second with 23.3%, and horror taking third with 11%.
Middle categories. Romance had 6.5%. Sci-fi had 7%. Thriller had 5.5%. Mystery had 5%. DMS liked these categories, but they were not enough for them to be the winning categories. The losing categories. Only 4 out of 417 people voted for Western. That comes down to only 0.96%. Only 13 out of 417 people voted for Fantasy. That comes down to only 3.11%. Only 18 out of 417 people voted for Drama. That comes down to only 4.3%. These three genres were the least commonly liked genres by DMS.
The final rankings. Comedy was in first, action was in second, horror was in third, sci-fi was in fourth, romance was in fifth, thriller was in sixth, seventh was mystery, eighth was drama, 9 was fantasy, and the last was Western.
Here are the students at DMS's favorite pizza toppings. For the choices we have cheese, peppers, olives, broccoli, mushrooms, pineapple, sausage, pepperoni, or bacon.
Number 9 is broccoli. 7 out of 417 people voted that they eat broccoli on their pizza, which is 1.7% of the students at DMS. Number 8 is green peppers. 11 out of 417 people voted that they eat peppers on their pizza. That's 2.6% of the students at DMS.
Number 7. 21 out of 417 people voted for mushrooms. That's 5% of the students at DMS. Number 6. 27 out of 417 people voted for olives. That's 6.5% of the students at DMS.
Coming in at number 5 is pineapple. 33 out of 417 people voted that pineapple is their favorite topping. That's 7.9% of the students at DMS. Number 4 is bacon. 35 out of 417 people voted that they eat bacon on their pizza, which is 8.4% of the students at DMS.
Coming in at number 3 is sausage. 46 out of 417 people voted that they eat sausage on their pizza. That's 11% of the students at DMS. Number 2 is pepperoni. 98 out of 417 people said that they eat pepperoni on their pizza. That's 23.5% of the students at DMS.
First place goes to cheese. 139 out of 417 people voted for cheese on their pizza. That's 33.3% of the students at DMS.
The overall rankings are number 1 is cheese, number 2 is pepperoni, number 3 is sausage.
Number 4 is bacon, number 5 is pineapple, number 6 is olives.
Number 7 is mushrooms, number 8 is green peppers, and number 9 is broccoli.
Favorite Pets 2022 by Spade, Hayden, and Caleb.
Coming in last is birds with only 4 people voting for them, meaning only 1.0% voted birds as the best pet.
For horses, only 2.3% vote. Only 10 out of 422 students at DMS voted for them as best pets.
There's not 11 out of 422 DMS students voting for them as the best pet. Mine got a 2.7%.
Rodents, lizards, and snakes all tied for third place with 12 out of 422 Lancers voting for each, making them have the same percentage of 0.029%.
Dogs got the highest percentage in 64.3%. 271 people out of 422 people voted for dogs. Cats received the second highest amount at 2.3%. 90 out of 422 people voted for them.
Video games can be a fun way to spend time, and they saw an explosive growth over the pandemic. Let's look at the top-rated video games at DMS. Streaming games from the cloud might be the future of gaming, but it's a small piece of the pie right now. Streaming games came in last with 6 votes for 1.4%. Next up is Nintendo with 56 votes for 13.2%. They're very close between PlayStation and PC. PCs received 18.2% of the vote, and PlayStation received 18.9% of the vote. 22.5 respondents said they don't play video games. I wonder what they do instead. And last but not least, the undisputed favorite at DMS is Xbox with 25.8% of the vote. Master Chief would be proud.